Thank you, Liezel. As you know, when it comes to marketing promoting, that's when I start getting excited. So let's talk about promoting your event. First of all, what I like to do is I like to define what I call my event position statement or my brand positioning statement. Now, I ran the very first masterclass that I ran was one called Cutting Through the Clutter, and it is available. I'm sure we can post a link to you. It takes you through exactly how to define your event positioning statement. Once you've done that, you can then create your marketing collateral, the stuff you're going to send out. You can write a script for your video. I've done some video courses as well. And then I really like to use email marketing as my invitation. And what I do there is I use something called A/B testing, which isn't very well known. So let me just explain what A/B testing is. When I write the actual email, I write two very different subject lines. So for example, for this one, the one subject line was suffering from ZPA, Zoom performance anxiety. Is there a real need we can help? And the other one was how to ace that online meeting. And what I do is I then send out an email to 20% of my database on each one of those, and I allow my software, and I use Constant Contact, to then send the balance to the one that's most opened. And in this case, how to ace that online meeting free masterclass well exceeded the other one, so it was sent out to there. So that's how A/B testing works. Then I also used to use LinkedIn, Facebook, event platform banners. I make social media posts, put them out on Twitter. I, at this stage, already create my YouTube thumbnail that I'll be using a bit later on. And we build an event landing page just around this particular topic. But I must say that I have found of all of those, email and Facebook seem to get the most promotion. Now, promoting your workshop, first of all, you can use organic promotion. That just means that without paying for anything, you put it out there, you ask people to share it, anything that you possibly can. Thank you, Craig, who's posted a link in the chat to Cutting Through the Clutter if you want to go look at all of that at some stage. And then, of course, there's paid promotion. And people often ask me, Mike, why should I pay to have people come to my free event? And that's because I always try and work out what is my return on investment. What's the value of a single person who comes to my event and after they've come to the event, then engages with me or does work with me. And once I know that, and once I've got the value of a single customer, it's very easy for me to decide how much money to put forward. Whenever people ask me, what kind of marketing budget should I put forward? I always say to them, well, if I was selling you 100 Rand notes at 80 Rand, how much money would you find? And without a doubt, you'd find as much as you possibly needed. So when it comes to your marketing budget, that's important. Then send a thank you for registering email. Very, very important that you follow up each day as you come along. Plan a series of get ready touch points, little hints and tips and little teasers, things that are going to invite your audience and remind them that's coming up. And then send reminders as the event comes closer to do that. And then I really would consider creating an event companion page, a kind of landing page just for it, maybe even a small little Facebook group if you're looking for something like that. Not difficult to do and certainly very worthwhile. So those are the kind of things I do to promote an event. Hopefully I'm learning all the time myself. I'm learning new tricks. I'm finding better software to use. As I say, if you want to do mailing software, you could also use Mailchimp. It's 100% free. Might not have every single feature you want right now, but dip your toe in and test it and go from there.